Welcome to Jordan School District's Big 6 and 60. The Big 6 tool we will be exploring in this video is SchoolAI. Step into the world of Expedition SchoolAI, where learning is an exciting journey and every step takes you closer to discovery.
I hope you had a chance to explore SchoolAI 2.0. The new relief shifts from chat-based spaces to interactive agendas and power-ups. It brings tools and assistance right into My Space with Dot. You can also create spaces for teachers as well as students. Let's explore how you can learn more about SchoolAI 2.0. Okay, let's find out how we can find out more about SchoolAI 2.0. There's a community tab. It's right here when you're in the legacy features. And then if you go into the beta, it's 2.0, you can see that it's right here over on the side underneath your organized tab. You click on the community, and it is a School AI community where you have resources. You have a showcase, discussion posts that are put in there. You can also see any digital events that they have coming up. The one we're interested in is these down here that are certified educators courses or courses that are offered through SchoolAI. This one here is the Certified Educator Level 1, Certified Educator Level 2, and you can also do this Crosswalk 2.0. This is an online course that walks you through Crosswalk 2.0, exploring the transition from legacy to new features. And you'll just click on it and it'll take you through the new features that are here in SchoolAI 2.0. I hope you have fun exploring the community in SchoolAI.